Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I'll be discussing some of the important and expected questions of section C in Principle and Practices of Auditing. So these are the questions which has been repeated from the previous year question papers. I have taken this. The first one is types of audits or objective of auditing. So both are from chapter number 1. So I have done videos on this types of audit. You can go through that videos, and even the objective of audit also I have done the video. You can even go through that video also. Next, the internal check advantages or disadvantages. So in advantages we have first one, that is from business point of view we have. Next we have owner's point of view. So this and all videos I have made, so I will not explain it here again. Next, from auditor's point of view also we have certain advantages. So you can write, so total 6 plus 3 plus 2, that is 11 are there. So few you can skip also. Based on the marks, for how many marks they have asked, you have to answer for that. Then you have disadvantages, 4 disadvantages. So this can also come for section C, and it is from chapter 2. Chapter 2. Next, we can explain the audit procedure of an educational institution, or they may even ask for hospital, or they may ask for NGO, or they may ask about the clubs or insurance companies, or even this thing also. Audit of education institution, hospitals, NGO, clubs, and insurance companies, universities. So many are there, etc. So anyone they might ask. So make sure you just have the concept, understand the concept of everything. So you will be able to write this. Okay. Next, qualification and rights of an company auditor. So rights, I think I have made some videos on this also. So right to access the books of accounts, right to examine the cost records, right to obtain information and explanation if any, right to correct any wrong statement, right to comment on the inadequacy of accounting system, right to visit the branches, then right to receive notice and other communications of general meeting, and right to attend the AGM, right to speak in the annual general meeting, right to sign the audit report, and right to report the members of the company, and right to be indemnified, and auditor's right to lien is there, and right to receive remuneration. So many rights are there. It is all easy. These are all you can easily study. You can expect this question for section C, and it is from chapter number, I think it's chapter number 4. Next, steps to be followed before the commencement of audit program. Many years this question has been asked. Chapter number 1 it is. So this also I have done the video. You can go through that video. I have explained both in English and Kannada. You can go through that video. Next, how do you verify the following? As I told you, many you might expect this three. Why I have written is because these three were asked in the previous question papers, and there are more assets apart from this and more liabilities also. So anything might come. So be ready with everything. Next, this is also one of the important question. I think this is from chapter 3. Verification of the following. Next, appointment, remuneration, and tenure of the auditor. So appointment, I think this is from chapter number 4. This is from chapter number 4. So there are various sections. So each section speaks about some details. It is also one of the important question. So you can study with that question also. Next, merits and demerits of auditing. This is from chapter number 1. This one is from chapter number 1. So there are certain merits. I have done videos on this, so you can go through that videos. So some demerits are also there, so you can go through all these things. Next, internal check with regards to cash transactions, or you can even expect with regard to purchases, credit purchases, purchase returns, similarly sales returns, credit sales, everything. So many you can expect. So it's all easy. Okay, easily you can go through that. Next, regarding wage payment, in that again, preparation of wage sheet comes here. Even weight sheets also comes here, so be ready with that also. I have done videos even on these things also. You can just go through with that videos. Next, fundamental principles of professional ethics. So this that as you can expect this from section B also. This question can come in section B also, as well as in section C. So before that, I forgot to mention the chapter name here, I think. Yes, internal check. This is all from chapter 2. Sorry, this is chapter 3. This is verification. So this is chapter 3. No, it is chapter 2. Sorry, it is chapter risk assessment and internal control. Yes, this is chapter 2. Both are from chapter 2 only. So you can go through that. Next, fundamental principles of professional ethics. Again, it's also very easy. Section B that might be asked, and it is from chapter number 5. Next, one more question you can expect actually. So okay, difference, differences between auditing, auditing and accounting. Differences between auditing and accounting. So it is might even come for section B also. They might ask, and it is from chapter number 1. So these were all the expected section C questions. So you can study for these questions. So if you are unable to study all the 5 chapters, at least you can be thorough with all these questions. So that if any other questions is asked, you can write at least something related content also. So all the best for your exams. I'll meet you in the next video.